guys, for this next thing, you are going to need your notebook and some pens. I like to use different colors when I take notes, but you could just use one color if you want. So you're going to be taking some notes on your notebook, and you're going to do it like Cornell notes. So at the top of your paper, write your name. Don't write my name. And then you're going to write the date today, 10/22/20. And our GQ or our EQ, our guiding question is, what makes a good personal narrative? On the left side, you're going to have 3 questions you will write today. And on the right side, you are going to answer those questions, which are your notes. The first question is this: what makes a good personal narrative? There are certain things that every personal narrative has to have. So before we can say what it needs to have, we first have to define what a personal narrative is. So what is a personal narrative? Well, a personal narrative is a true story about your life. Remember, we said a personal narrative is a story from your life that is very short. It should be something that happened in one day or less. An example might be your first day of school in America, or your first birthday party, or it might be the first time you drive a car. I am giving a lesson right now, guys. Could you please be quiet? The second thing your personal narrative has to have are what we call sensory details. These are details or pieces of information that help the reader, that's me and your classmates, feel like they are with you when you are retelling your story. The sensory details use your 5 senses, which you have learned about in science class before. They are your sight. So what kinds of things did you see in your story? Your sense of smell. What things did you maybe smell that are important in your story? Taste, hear or sound, or feel. I sometimes do heart for feel. So your story will have some sensory details. The final thing is this: what is the theme? We've talked about theme before, and we know that a theme is the lesson that you learned about life from your story. In the story we read today, the person playing baseball felt like they were not very good because they never really tried. So the theme that this person learned is that you should try something new. You might surprise yourself with how good you can be on it. What you need to do is make sure you've copied these notes into your own notebook. And I want to know that you took notes today, so you're going to take a picture of your notes and you're going to upload it to Schoology to get points. That's it. And I want you to continue thinking about the story you are going to tell, because we will start doing that next week. That's it for today. Bye, everybody.